The district attorney also gave you an offer today in chambers, so you can rely that give that information to your client, Ms. Lohan. Now, we're not going to be able to resolve the case today according to the attorneys because Ms. Holley has to look at all this information, and once that's done, obviously discuss this with her client and then make a determination whether they wish to settle the case in this court. All right, Ms. Lohan, there's a couple of things you need to understand so there is absolutely no misunderstandings about anything dealing with this case. I've never met you before the last court appearance. You've never met me, to my knowledge. One of the things about me is I treat everybody the same. I don't care that you're Lindsay Lohan versus John Doe, Jane Doe. That doesn't affect me. Now, there may be an issue as to the amount of time that you go to, of course, and that's why a judge has discretion in sentencing. But if the case settles here, I don't want you under any apprehension. You will be going to jail, period. I want you to get on with your life. I want you to reach whatever potential you have and move on and quit causing yourself, your family, and anyone else around you additional stress, which is unnecessary. You're going to be ordered potentially to see a therapist on a regular basis who will be able to help you and assist you in coping with whatever outside stressors exist in your life. That would be a reasonable condition of probation. I've also indicated to your attorney that if the case settles here, an additional probation consideration I would have is that you need to get a reliable, trustworthy, and reasonable sponsor, unrelated to any of your family members, not that they're not reliable, trustworthy, and whatever. So you're going to come back in front of me one more time. If the case settles, that's great. If the case doesn't settle, that's also great. You won't see me again after that. You'll be in front of Judge Sautner. Do you ever understand everything I've indicated?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I get the impression you're not going to accept the DA's offer. Okay, that I don't have a crystal ball, and I'm not privy to any inside information, but that's the feeling that I got. Good luck. Please talk. We'll see you on the 10th. Hopefully we'll resolve this case. Thank you. Have a nice day, please. Bye.
Lindsay, I don't see Lindsay as a criminal. I mean, this is all a result of her addiction, and after she's out and going through a recovery process, people wanted to sensationalize something that happened in the jewelry store. Everything will come out in the wash, and if she is found innocent of that charge, I don't think there should be a probation violation. This poor kid is being pulled in all different directions. She's got a bunch of people in her life again, like she did when we went through our divorce. It was Mark Landsman and a whole bunch of other people that came in and destroyed her finances. Now you have Lou Taylor, Larry Rudolph, and some other people that are back in her life, and they destroyed Britney Spears, and it's the same people in her life, and she doesn't even want them there. But they have their hooks in because they put up money for bail. I hate to use the saying that she's on a path of recovery, but she is. She does the right thing. She goes to AA all the time, and I check up on her by going to dinner. She's always clear-eyed and very focused. What she wore is Lindsay. That's herself, and she represents herself accordingly. It wasn't. I don't think it was risque. It wasn't a low-cut dress or anything. It was a beautiful dress, and it was pure and wholesome. And hopefully that's where she is in her life now.
What about her?
And I have a lot of great support. That's all that matters. Thanks. I'm sorry. I really didn't want to do this, but that really pissed me off.
Thank you.
Thank you.